What's up, everybody? I'm back with a video. It's been about 10 years, 10 months, something like that, you know. So today I will be making non-dairy Jangles Bowberry biscuits. I never had these before. They don't have them in California, but I know that they are in the works of coming out this way. So I'll show you everything I have, and then let's get started. I already got the batter mixed up here. I got some blueberries in here, some flour. I use whole wheat flour. You can use whatever flour you want. Got some frozen grated non-dairy butter. I use frozen blueberries. They're sweeter to me. And then you gotta put salt in there, baking powder, buttermilk. I made my own buttermilk with almond milk. I use cashew milk and some lemon juice. Let it sit. And then actually they're supposed to be ice cold with the milk. And I think that's all that goes in there. And then for the drizzle I'll put on top, I got some powdered sugar with some lemon juice and some vanilla and some of the non-dairy buttermilk. And that's pretty much it. So basically I mixed all the dry ingredients together. So now I gotta fold this all together. Got blueberries falling out of here right now. Alright. So you don't want to over mix this. I don't think I did, but I gotta be careful because I got the frozen blueberries in here. I don't want them to bleed off into the dough. So I don't want no purple looking dough. Okay. See that? So you put flour all over your cutting board and then just kind of pat that down and fold it here and there as you go. Okay. I'm gonna cut one out now to start with. Get yourself a big. Okay, to start with. Okay. Alright. So I got a greased, I used cast iron pan here. So I'll put them in there and throw it in the oven later. Okay. Alright, so put this all together here. I should have put some flour on the hands, but I forgot. Okay. So it doesn't stick as much to the dough. And these, they go in the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. You can put these at 425 And then for those who like it, you can, if you eat egg or however you prefer, you can put egg yolk on top of it to brown it. That's what I've seen them do. And if not, you can, there's other options. Me, I'm just gonna drizzle some butter on it, some melted butter, and go from there. Okay, so you make about 6 of these. This one looks pretty big. I think I got this one larger than the rest of them. Oh well. Okay, we are done. So in here, this is the icing right here. It's powdered sugar, lemon juice, vanilla extract, and buttermilk. So now I'm gonna give these a taste. It's breaking apart.
Oh!
Oh my God. Wow. Y'all gotta make these. That's all I gotta say. Later.